My people, how are you doing? Greetings to you all right, I have a very short video I want to play, and I want you to watch this video and we'll discuss. Thank you. Watch.
Holy Ghost, how are you? How are you doing? Is there anything bothering you? You can place it on me. Holy Ghost, how are you? How are you doing?
Okay.
Is there anything bothering you? You can place it on me. Holy Ghost, please talk to me. I want to know how you're feeling. Is there anything bothering you? You can place it on me.
Okay. So you have heard that song. I want you to share your opinion in the comment section. What do you think about this song? I don't want to say much before they will say I'm quoting them out of context. So I want to hear from you. What do you really think about the lyrics of this song? What does it mean? They're asking God how He's doing. They're telling God if anything is bothering Him. They go a step further to say to God, if anything is bothering you, place it on us. In other words, if something they worry you, talk to us, we can handle it. So, I feel like we don't get some set of Christians now that now want God to be praying to them. They will now be answering God. Because lately we are hearing different types of preaching, but now I have seen some set of people, in my opinion, that are ready to help God. They are asking God, what is your challenge? You don't want to answer our prayer. We don't want to call you. We are now, you call on us. What is the challenge? What's the problem? What is the solve? If you have any problem, place it on us. We want to help you. That's the way I see this song. But that may not be the way you see it. So I want you to comment your opinion and what do you think about this song. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you.